Hey Mila, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I thought I'd introduce myself while we're here on your roof doing the gutter cleaning and let you know how everything is going. Gutters are all cleaned out and you're in good shape. Let me flip the camera around and show you around on a few things that are happening with your property that you might want to address at some point this year to help preserve and maintain your roof, and so that way it will help you save a lot of money in future replacement costs by doing a little bit of maintenance early on. So let me flip the camera around. All right, so the gutters here are all cleaned out. Some of your nails are kind of backing out, so we could do a basic gutter tune-up on your property. This gutter here has been bent and a lot of brackets down there are broken. So gutter tune-up is suggested. And I wanted to show you a little bit about how your shingles are performing. If you look at a couple of other videos that are attached here, you'll see that shingles are starting to get this algae on your you look at this side here and how much cleaner it is compared to the darker side. That's an organic growth called Glioxapsomagma, and it's starting to develop moss in your roof. This moss and lichen, what it does over time is it'll grow roots down into your shingles and create excess moisture, and you're going to want to try to get that treated and cleaned off before it prematurely accelerates the aging process of your roof. And so we do offer roof cleaning solutions. If you'd like a quote for that, we'd be glad to help you. And along with roof cleaning, we'd be glad to help you to further rejuvenate your shingles by applying an all-natural bio oil back into your shingles. It allows the shingles to remain flexible. Some of the videos I showed you that your shingles are starting to lift in the wind. The seal tabs are starting to dry out on your shingle. This allows your shingle to remain one solid structure, so when the wind comes, you're not having blow-off problems with your shingles. So the Roof Max products helps re-adhere those seal tabs, glue them back down, and adds an additional 5 years life with each treatment when you apply Roof Max. So there's a few spots down there that could benefit from a roof tune-up where your flashing is starting to lift up. There was a bit of raccoon poop down there, or whatever animal it was, so got that cleaned off for you. Your chimney here could benefit from some minor tune-ups or extreme tune-ups, depending on how much you want to spend. Our roof tune-up process is going to seal up these cracks with a roof sealant to help keep the water out so that it doesn't expand and contract, because you're already starting to get some brick damage here, and the mortar is starting to get cracked a little bit here. So eventually, soon, here in the near future, start saving up to do some chimney repairs. We do have companies that we network with that can help you with that. But gutters are in good shape. You're all cleaned up. Please, any questions you have about our work, don't hesitate to give me a call. We'll take care of it right away. And please, we're a small family-owned, operated business. We really rely solely on new customers by making sure that customers like you are super happy and thrilled. So please tell your friends, family, and neighbors about us. And you'll be receiving a Google link in your receipt email. You can leave us some kind words. That goes a long way. Thank you so much, and look forward to working with you on your other projects in the future.